Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that will make a splendid addition to your home or office, the Aqueon BettaBow 2.5G LED Aquarium Kit. We found this fantastic product online, and if you're interested, we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Aqueon BettaBow 2.5G? This is a compact aquarium kit designed specifically for betta fish enthusiasts. Its sleek design not only adds an aesthetic touch to any space but also provides a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. With a capacity of 2.5 gallons, it's perfect for small fish and is especially well suited for bettas, which thrive in slightly smaller habitats compared to other fish. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this aquarium kit. One of the most impressive aspects is its SmartClean technology. This innovative system allows you to perform water changes in less than 2 minutes, which is a game changer, especially for busy individuals. It makes maintaining water quality so much easier, ensuring that your fish live in a healthy and clean environment without taking up too much of your time. Alongside the SmartClean technology, the kit includes everything you need to get started: a beautifully designed aquarium vessel, a stylish black hood, an aquarium divider for separating fish if needed, an elevated base for a better viewing experience, and a reliable power filter. Additionally, it comes with Betta Food and Betta Bowl Plus water conditioner, which is essential for preparing your aquarium water and ensuring your fish remains happy and healthy. Also included is a setup guide that walks you through the process, making it beginner-friendly. Who is this aquarium kit suitable for? The Aqueon BettaBow is ideal for both first-time fish keepers and experienced aquarists of all ages. Its simplicity and ease of use make it perfect for anyone just starting their journey into fish keeping, while the quality components cater to those with more experience. Whether you're setting it up for a child's room, a dormitory, or your living space, this aquarium is designed to be an engaging and educational experience. Now, let's consider some practical use cases. If you're a parent looking to introduce your child to the responsibilities of pet care, the Aqueon BettaBow offers a manageable size and straightforward maintenance. The quick water change feature can empower young fish keepers to confidently take charge of their aquatic friends' environment. Alternatively, if you're a busy professional who loves having a bit of nature in your workspace, this compact aquarium is an elegant solution that doesn't demand a lot of time or effort. Another great use case is for those looking to enhance their home decor. With its sleek design and LED lighting, the BettaBow can serve as a stunning centerpiece that not only attracts attention but also creates a calming atmosphere. Imagine coming home after a long day to the gentle glow of your aquarium, complete with the graceful movements of your betta fish. It's truly a delightful sight. In conclusion, the Aqueon BettaBow 2.5G LED Aquarium Kit is a versatile, user-friendly option for anyone interested in keeping fish. With its SmartClean technology, comprehensive components, and aesthetic appeal, it's designed to provide both a beautiful display and a healthy habitat for your aquatic companions. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.